Weipa. It's 3 o'clock on Tuesday. We've decided to leave now to cross the Gove, and it's a bit over 500 kilometres, so it's a long way. Mick and I were pretty used to the waters down in Tassie, but we really don't know what to expect with the weather we've been given in the Gulf. It could be 20-25 knots, even as much as 30 knots as we come into Gove. So we're a bit concerned about it. Once we go, we have to keep going. These boats won't turn around and come back. So we've decided to go, and we just have to suck what we get for sure. Outside Weipa now. We'll be halfway across the Bight, probably in about 8 hours or so, and then I tell you what, it's going to be a good sight to see land on the other side. There is no land, obviously, as far as we can see. It's goodbye to Queensland and hello to this place, the Northern Territory and Gove. Look, basically we left and did a 24-hour stint behind a wheel, Mick and I, with Zorro in the back. They did a great job. We got wet, it was windy, it was choppy, and yeah, we got here about an hour ago, but after a welcome like this, suddenly you're awake after a couple of years again. But it'll be an early night for us tonight for sure.